I think what makes Tennant the industry leader, at least what we hear from our customers, is there's no question about the quality of our products. People believe in it, they have faith in it. We have a long legacy of quality products, and you wrap our service around it. That's kind of the secret sauce of Tennant.
We are raving fans of Tennant. We sell a lot of Tennant equipment. It's our number one line. It's like the Cadillac of the equipment world.
If I had to describe Tennant in one word, I mean, the first word that pops into my head is quality, but it's the people. I mean, the people behind what they do, it's intoxicating. It's infectious. I don't know how else to describe it.
Lots of great technology. I think the Tennant team has done an incredible job today. Our new T350 has just, I think, blown our customers away. They've been able to demo it, do an obstacle course, and to sit here and watch folks do the obstacle course, ride on it for the first time, you can see a lot of eyes opening. Of course, in the other corner of the booth, we've got IMOP, so there's demonstration, and that's another product that first time you touch it, you're sold.
Tennant means quality, means absolute durability, and extreme dependability. Love it.
If you need a machine, if you need to get it done quicker, faster, go with Tennant. Like, it's just safe. It's a safe brand that you know you're going to be okay with. Your company will grow if you get Tennant.
It's very important for us to make sure that not only are we cleaning for the kids and the students, they can't learn if they're not in their seats, and it cuts down on absenteeism. And also, I like to keep it healthy for our employees. You know, I want them to have a life when they retire, and we believe that Tennant products help us to get to that point.
When I need them, they're there. When I pick up the phone and call, they're there. When in reference to pricing, they're fair. You see what I mean? All of those things together, it just puts me in a position where I'm loyal. I love Tennant. What do you want me to say? I love Tennant.
It makes me feel like the king of the world. It's a great machine.